burning the oil.
Hi, Mom. What are you doing?
I'm picking out annatto.
Annatto?
This pad.
Okay, from those pods.
You have to put on a gloves. Don't stain up my finger.
Okay.
And then I put it in this dish.
Okay.
And then we're gonna blow it out like that.
Okay.
Blow the dust out of it.
Yes. And then we're gonna use it
We're
to.
gonna burn it in the oil.
Okay.
To change the color of the oil.
Okay.
Is
Is that natural? Is that a natural thing?
Yes, it's natural.
I know it's natural.
It's very
I'm only
good.
testing you to see if you know.
And it's very good.
Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, people. That's Mom.
Health-wise. Very good.
That's Mom removing the seeds from the annatto plant, people. There we go. Stay tuned, you'll see more. So, today I'm in the kitchen with my little sis who is making annatto oil, people. She's using the natural annatto seeds from the plant pods to color coconut oil. So there you go, people. That's the process. He's getting it done in a few minutes. That will be ready. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up and have a blessed one.